Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to use Bloxstrap. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Bloxstrap on your PC. Once installed, you should see the Bloxstrap icon, which you can click to launch Roblox normally, potentially improving graphics. For full features, open your computer search bar, type Bloxstrap, and select the Bloxstrap menu. Here, the software will show that it's running, and note that some changes require you to restart Roblox to take effect. Inside the menu, you can adjust server location, enable activity joining via Discord, and access mods like old death sounds, custom mouse cursors, or the classic avatar editor. You can also manage emojis, apply custom fonts, cap frame rates, and tweak rendering modes for better performance. Appearance settings allow light or dark themes and different icon styles, while behavior options let you auto-create a desktop icon or enable updates. To apply changes, select your preferred options, click Save, then close and reopen Roblox via Bloxstrap. When you launch a game, your customized settings will now be active, enhancing your Roblox experience. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.